if it didn't work.
Look inside special packs of Kellogg's Frosties, and you'll find yourself in the world of Nintendo!
There are 12 sets of cards and stickers to collect, and by rubbing off the silver dots, there's a chance to win one of 46,000 prizes!
So if you're into Nintendo, why not get into Kellogg's Frosties? They're great!
What better to consume with intense food than intense visuals? Eat this, watch this. Louie, press your small button.
Flowers for Mrs. Quimby.
Ever tried eating your own head? Well, try this instead. It's more intense. Stay hungry.
Enter, if you dare, the spine-chillingly spooky haunted house ride at Alton Towers.
This commercial is classified too juicy.
Fruitella, too juicy for my mum, too juicy for my dad, too juicy for my nan man. Fruitella, too fruity for my cat, too juicy for my dog, too fruity for my shark. Fruitella, too juicy for my car, too fruity for my shirt, so juicy it hurts.
Right, stop that. It's far too juicy.
Are Fruitella too juicy for you?
The eyes of justice are watching. It's Batman, the animated series. Combat Belt Batman charges in to face Two-Face.
Oh, no!
Great save. Robin swoops down in his Power Wing. A narrow miss. It's Batman in the invincible hoverbat. You're off to serve double time, Two-Face. The eyes of justice. Batman.
Stay cool.
Your kid is driving me nuts.
Mr. Wilson!
Stay calm.
Somebody robbed your house!
And stay for the laughs.
Smile.
He's armed and out of school for the entire summer. Dennis.
That's me!
A John Hughes production.
Hey, where's the lights? Oh!
Jacob's Happy Faces. Beaming biscuits, jam-packed with a jammy creamed filling. Enough to give everyone a happy face.
With Jacob's Happy Faces, you'll smile from ear to ear.
It's undeniable, Paul, that we have to return to the source of transmogrification.
Just keep it simple, Rich.